Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we will discuss heat exchange between two parallel infinite plane. Now, consider a two plane 1 and 2 having it is infinite long, and the area for first one is A1 and area for second one is A2. As both are the infinite long, so we can consider area for both is same. So we are just putting A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A. Now in shape factor theory we already discussed the reciprocity rule. A1 F1 is equal to A2 F21. But here A1 and A2 are same, so we can write F1 to F21, and also it is a large plane, so we can put just 1 instead of that. Now we already derived this equation in our previous theory. It is heat exchange between two surface or body. Q12 is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon 1 minus epsilon upon epsilon 1 A1 plus 1 upon A1 F12 1 minus epsilon 2 upon epsilon 2 A2. And we are putting here A1 and A1 and A2 are same, so we can write A instead of that, and also F12 is 1. So substituting these all values in this equation, we get Q12 is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon, we are taking area as a common, so we get 1 upon epsilon 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon 1, shape factor is 1, plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. Now by rearranging this equation, we get sigma Q12 is equal to sigma A T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. So this is equation for two parallel infinite surface. So heat is exchanging from one plane to another plane, so we can use this equation. Now we are discussing the second theory. It is heat exchange between two concentric infinite long gray cylinder. If the surface is cylindrical, so how we can calculate the heat exchange between them? So we know the equation, we already discussed, and here R1 is inner cylinder radius and R2 is outer cylinder radius. Epsilon 1 is inner cylinder emissivity and epsilon 2 is outer cylinder emissivity. And for shape factor, as the inner surface is convex and heat is transferred from one surface to one surface plus one surface to second surface is always equal to 1, but heat is transferred from one surface to another surface is always 0, so we are putting F11 is equal to 0, so we get F12 is equal to 1. So substituting this in equation number 1, so we get Q12 is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon 1 upon A1 1 upon epsilon 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon 1, as we are putting shape factor 1, plus 1 upon A2 upon 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. here the area is not same, so we cannot take common of this area. Now rearranging this, we get sigma a1, we are just multiply and divide by a1 in denominator, so we get 1 upon epsilon 1 plus a1 upon a2, 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. So this equation we will use for heat exchange between two concentric infinite long gray cylinder, and we already discussed equation for heat transfer in infinite plane wall. Now for cylindrical surface, we know the area of cylindrical surface is 2 pi r L, so we can use 2 pi r1 L for a1, and for a2 we can use 2 pi r2 L. Thank you.